Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today's video is a requested video from my subscribers. So today I will show you how to fix some checkra1n jailbreak error while doing jailbreak your iPhone or a iPad. So I will show you step by step. I have received so many same comments on the same error when you do checkra1n jailbreak on these iOS like 12.4.4, 12.4.5, 12.4.6 and 12.4.7 on iPhone 5s, iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPad mini 2, iPad Air model. Usually it's on iOS 12. So when you jailbreak these models and these iOS version on any Linux checkra1n version, you will face some right before triggering error, or sometime it's 120 seconds error also. I will show you. You can see on the screen these types of error will come when you jailbreak. So I've told you about the errors that we will fix in this videos. So for all this, first you will need a checkra1n ISO file. So I recommend you to use my own custom method. I have already tried this on this version. I have not tried on the boottrain or checkra1n method. So make sure that you will use my own custom checkra1n ISO file. All links are in description. You can check my previous checkra1n videos also. So first you have to extract it for the ISO file. Then you will need a Rufus software. You will get in the download folder also, so you can make bootable from that. And there are a readme file. You can read. All the instructions are given here. So only Rufus will work. So make sure that you will use Rufus software to make bootable. Balena will not work for this. And still, if you face any issue, any doubt regarding checkra1n jailbreak, you can contact me on my social media handles. All links are in description, and you can also see the readme file that are available in the downloaded files. First you have to insert a pen drive for this to make bootable. Let me just insert my pen drive. Now you have to select the ISO file of checkra1n. So just locate the checkra1n ISO file. So as you can see, this is the same file. So just select it, and after that you don't need to change any settings. Just click on start to make the bootable process start. So now just click on OK and make sure that you have connected to internet while making the bootable, because sometime this file needs some Linux file to make proper bootable, and that required internet. So make sure that you have connected to internet. So the process is started. Now it will take 2-3 minutes to make bootable. It will not take too much time. Okay, so now your process is completed. Just close the Rufus software and restart your PC. And my custom checkra1n ISO file support both 32-bit and 64-bit architecture, and Intel AMD processors are supported. UEFI and legacy old BIOS both are supported, so you can choose according to your system preference. If you want detailed video how to set up all, you can watch my old checkra1n videos. In that I have shown everything in detail. So now the checkra1n is run. Now just wait for 5 seconds and it will automatically load the checkra1n 0.10.2 for you. You can also use the old legacy BIOS. It will both support it. Now checkra1n is completely loaded. Now first I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 12.4.7. So as you can see, I am running 5s 12.4.7. This method applies to all the devices that running on 12.4.7, 12.4.5, 12.4.6, 12.4.4, iPad mini 2, iPhone 5s, iPhone 6, 6 Plus, and other iPad Air models that are running on 12.4.7. Usually this error comes in iOS 12, because I have never seen this error in iOS 13 devices. So first you have to connect it and then go to option. This is the important step. You have to allow all these options. The first option is allow untested iOS version, second is safe mode, and third is verbose mode. You have to allow all these 3 and 4 options, and then you have to start jailbreaking. You can also connect in recovery mode, and then you can select all this. You have to try, because these are beta version of checkra1n, so it has some bugs. It is not that stable. So first you have to just put your device into recovery mode, and now the jailbreak process started. If you ever notice that when you jailbreak iOS 13 devices, it will jailbreak in 5 to 10 seconds, it will not take too much time. But when you jailbreak iOS 12 devices like iOS 12.4.4 and other iOS version like 12.4.7, it will take too much time and it will stuck on right before triggering error. I will show you step by step when it completed, and it will stuck on right before triggering. After waiting for 1 minute, the setup exploit, after that you will see the right before trigger. This is what I am talking about. This error will come and it will stuck here, so you have to just unplug your USB and replug it back, and it will booting up and you will see some warning. Ignore that, it will not make any difference. Your jailbreak process will completed now. As you can see, verbose booting is started and checkra loader is on the screen. After that you will see the all done message in the end. That means your jailbreak is completed. You can ignore that -1 failed error. So as you can see, all done is written and this error will come, so just ignore it and just click on done. Your jailbreak is successful. I will show you step by step. So my device is now on. I will just put my Wi-Fi on and then the checkra loader app will be appear. Sometime it will take 5 to 10 seconds to load up the checkra app on your home screen. Now everything is done. I'm on iPhone 5s 12.4.7, successfully jailbroken with checkra jailbreak. Now you have to connect with Wi-Fi and then install Cydia. You can apply the same process on iPhone 5s, iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPad mini 2 and all the models that are running on iOS 12 and you are facing this same error. You can apply the same. And now many of you are thinking, can I apply the same trick on the Hello Screen devices that are activation lock? Yes, you can. You can apply the same method on this device also. Let me show you. For example, I have an iPhone 5s that are running on 12.4.7 and it is on the activation lock screen. So you can apply the same trick. Just plug your phone and then go to the option and then allow all the option, untested iOS version, safe mode, verbose mode, all these options will be ticked, and then you have to go back and start jailbreaking. And if you are on iOS 13.5.1 and 13.6, you have to allow the first option and then it will show the jailbreak option. After that, the same process, you have to jailbreak your device. And in the last, when it comes to right before trigger, just unplug your cable and replug it back, and then it will start booting and your process will be completed. Ignore that error. I have already said it doesn't make any difference in your jailbreak. All done means your jailbreak will be completed and then you are ready to bypass your device. Now jailbreak is completed for activation lock device also. Now you can bypass easily. You can use any tool for bypass iOS 12.4.7. I made a different videos for different iOS version like 12.3 to 13.5.1. All bypass videos are in link in description. You can check out there. And just to show you guys, I will bypass my device. Now it will confirm you my jailbreak is done. After successful jailbreak, you can bypass easily. So just click on bypass and then your device will be bypassed. And I already told you, if you want to see the detailed video how this bypass work, link in the description, you can check out there and you will get the detailed video on the bypass of 12.4.7 and the other iOS version like 12.3 to complete 13.5.1. Now my device is successfully bypassed and I have also fixed the jailbreak issue. So this is how you can fix all the checkra error that are facing on iOS 12. Like right before trigger and 120-second error are the same, so you can apply the same fix trick on all the checked-in version. So I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then hit the like button, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon for more update. Follow me on all my social media handles. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.